Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss your next point for 451, that is the advanced synthetic organic chemistry, that is a click chemistry. So, what is the click chemistry? Criteria of click chemistry? What is the reaction of click chemistry? These things are discussed in this point. So, introduction or history about the click chemistry we can see, then advantages, the requirements, then what type of reaction can be carried out in this click chemistry, and how we introduce this click chemistry. So we can discuss here. Okay, so introduction of click chemistry. So chemical philosophy introduced by K.B. Sharpless in 2001. Okay, K.B. Sharpless or K. Barry Sharpless in 2001. So click chemistry, this term can be found in latest, that is a 2001. What is the basis of click chemistry? On the basis of click chemistry, that is a nature. When nature prefers carbon heteroatom bond, then carbon carbon single bond. Okay, so click chemistry is basis on the nature. Okay, so nature which prefers from carbon heteroatom. So carbon heteroatom means nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. This is the heteroatom. Okay, so carbon heteroatom, that is the CX-C bond. Okay, CX-C bond. Then carbon carbon single bond. For example, nucleic acid, proteins, and polysaccharides. On this nucleic acid, proteins, polysaccharides are based on the click chemistry. Okay, in that nucleic acid, proteins, polysaccharide are heteroatom bond. Okay, or carbon carbon single bond. Then philosophy related to the click chemistry, all searches must be restricted to molecules that are easy to make. Then prerequisite reaction that are modular, high yielding, wide in scope, stereospecific, use being solvent. Okay, this reaction is modular, high yield, then wide in scope, and reaction will be carried out in stereospecific reaction. This is the introduction related to the click chemistry. Then actually, what is the click chemistry? So we have to discuss here actual definition of click chemistry. So which is the point can be included in click chemistry? So click chemistry means joining molecule by an ideal chemical reaction. Molecules can be joined by ideal chemical reaction further carried out, then reaction is complete through that way. Okay, so first of all, what is the click chemistry? The first of all, the click chemistry, the chemical reaction begin through fast irreversible reaction, simple condition. Then second point is starting material are readily available, stable to biocompatible. So then reaction carried out, so high yield, high atom economy, wide application, large thermodynamic driving force to give predictable outcome. Then easy workup and product isolation. Then preferably processing in water, insensitive to oxygen. Okay, so we can use this solvent for water, so your reactant are insensitive to oxygen atom. Okay, the based by some fusion reaction. So this is about the what is the click chemistry. So it is the joining the molecule by an ideal chemical reaction, fast irreversible reaction, simple condition, starting material are readily available, high yielding reaction, high atom economy, then large thermodynamic driving force, easy to work up and product isolate, and not insensitive to oxygen atom. And this is the reaction related to the click chemistry. Okay, so then classes of click reaction, we can discuss the definition of click chemistry. On the basis of click chemistry, what things can be matter. Then next one in classes of click reaction. So classes of click reaction are depending upon their carbon carbon double bond addition, then nucleophilic opening of highly strained rings, then protecting groups, cycloaddition reaction. So this is the 4 points related to the classes of click reaction. So classes of click reaction can also further in this reaction they are classified into in this way. Okay, so carbon carbon double bond addition can be also included in click reaction. So see here, this is your alkyl group, this is your example, then can be reacts with the this carbon carbon double reacts with the this carbon carbon double bond, or this is the 4+2 reaction. Here this 4+2 reaction, here 2 pi bond and here 1 pi bond. So this is the 4+2 pi electron addition. Then this is the Diels-Alder reaction. First of all, this is the 4+2 pi electron system. So this is the Diels-Alder reaction. So formation of the Diels-Alder product. Then we can use the carbon carbon double bond or oxidation. Okay, by against this R double bond, R carbon carbon double bond. Okay, so reaction carried out this 3 member heteroatom. Okay, that is the X is a halogen, that is the oxygen N or R alkyl group. Okay, then formation of that this type reaction, nucleophilic ring opening reaction. So this carbon carbon double bond addition reaction, we can use this 3 member heteroatom or oxygen or nitrogen. Then this reaction is carried out in oxidation. So formation of this nucleophilic ring opening reaction. In this reaction, your 3 member ring can be open and form in this type your final product. So this is the carbon carbon double bond addition reaction. Then third one is your, this is your reagent, this against ReN3. Okay, ReN3 in presence of copper first. So this is the catalyzed Huygens reaction. So this is the 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. N3 means R N double bond, N double bond N. This is the N3 structure. Okay, so N3 can be reacts with this carbon carbon double bond. So this is the 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction. In this step, this reaction can be carried out or in presence of copper. So this is the catalyzed Huygens reaction. Then fourth one is your, this is carbon carbon double bond, then addition to the aldehyde, sorry, ketone in presence of RONH2, that is a non-aldehyde carbonyl compound can be formed here. Okay, so reaction between this carbon carbon double bond and this RONH2 aldehyde. Then here this carbon carbon double bond get oxidation, get converted into the aldehyde. Then aldehyde reacts with the, sorry, ketone reacts with the RONH2, then formation of this non-aldehyde carbonyl compound. First of all, this carbon carbon double bond get converted into the oxidation. Then this is formation of ketone. This ketone reacts with RONH2 amine functional group. Then formation of this non-aldehyde carbonyl chemist. So this is the reaction related to the click chemistry or classes related to the click reaction. So these classes are also classified into the polysaccharide, then protein, then nucleic acid. Okay, so this is the example also related to the polysaccharide, protein, nucleic acid. Okay, so next one is important topic, that is the advantages of click chemistry. In someone importance, that is the advantages of click chemistry are asked in exam. The what is the advantages of click chemistry? So this is the simple advantages, that is a functional group tolerance. Your reagent or the product, it is a functional group tolerance. Then aqueous condition, shorter reaction time, high yield, high purity and reduced specificity. This point are also introduced in introduction of, also seen in introduction of click chemistry. So first advantages is functional group tolerance. So click chemistry have aqueous condition is necessary. Then this click chemistry reaction is carried out in shorter reaction time. This reaction is carried out in short time. So reaction carried out in short time, you will give the high yield as well as high purity, and high purity and all these things get carried out, and your reaction is regio specific. So these things are related to the advantages of click chemistry. So we can see the introduction of click chemistry. Introduction are introduced by the KB Sharpless in 2001, and this click chemistry is based on the nature, that is a carbon carbon heteroatom or carbon carbon single bond. For example, protein, nucleic acid, polysaccharide, and this click chemistry have the are modular, high yield, then wide in scope, stereospecific reaction also carried out. And what is the click chemistry? Is ideal chemical reaction, fast, irreversible, simple condition, starting material, and readily available, high yield, high atom economy. Okay. Then classes of click reaction, that is a carbon carbon double bond addition, nucleophilic opening of highly strained ring, protecting group, cycloaddition reaction. So this is the all reaction type, that is a disulfide reaction, carbon carbon double bond addition, non-polar carbonyl chemistry, and 1,3 dipolar cycloaddition reaction, that is a Huygens reaction. Then last one is the advantages of click chemistry, that is a you will get the shorter reaction time, high yield, high purity, functional group tolerance, aqueous condition, and most often these reactions are regio specific. So this is all about the click chemistry, or this is the introduction, or some points are covered in click chemistry. In next lecture we can see the types or reaction of the click chemistry, and further reaction is carried out to polysaccharide, nucleic acid, and proteins. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.